Okay, so going over this last problem, looking at it, a tunnel has a parabolic shape as shown. The maximum width is 18 meters, the maximum height is 12. A car with a height of 2 meters enters the tunnel and is 2 meters from the left side. What is the vertical distance between the top of the car and the roof of the tunnel? So this will be your car, which is 2 meters in and 2 meters high, and we need to see how far it is away from the roof. Okay, first thing we're going to do is make this look like a graph. So if the tunnel is 18 meters wide, that would be 18, this would be 0. And then if this is 18 meters wide, the middle will be 9. So this is going to be 9. And then it says that it is 12 meters high. So my vertex of the tunnel is 9, 12. So I think that's all the information I have and I should need. So if I have the vertex, I can write the vertex form over here. And remember, H and K are the points for the vertex. And A is going to be your vertical stretch of the problem. Okay, so I know what H and K are. 9 and 12. And I also know an X and a Y. I know that it goes through 0, 0, so I'm going to use the easiest point possible. So for X, I'm going to put in 0. For Y, I'm going to put in 0. So the only thing I do not know is what the vertical stretch is. And then I'm going to figure that out. Negative 9 squared is 81. 12. 81 times A. So then I want to get the A by itself. So then I would first subtract 12. And that 12 equals 81A. And then divide by 81. And get that A equals negative 12 over 81. Or A equals negative 4 over 27. So I found A. So now my equation in vertex form is no announcement. Plus 12. Okay, so now that I know my equation for my parabola, I'm going to use my information I know about the car to figure out how high it is away from the roof. So I know the car is, where is it? 2 meters from the left side of the tunnel. So here's 1, here's 2. So it's 2 meters away. So here, my X term is 2. I also know the car is 2 meters off of the ground. So to figure out the missing distance, I need to figure out how high the roof is when X is 2. So I'm going to take this 2, because it's my X, and plug it in here. So it'll be negative 4 over 27. 2 minus 9 squared plus 12 equals y. And the y I get is going to be the height of the tunnel. So after I do some math, math. And then this squared is a positive 49. Please be careful. And if I put all of this into my calculator to get a number, there's going to be some decimal, I'm going to get y equals 4.74. So this point right here is 2 comma 4.74. So if the roof is 4.74 meters tall and the car has a height of 2 meters, I want to subtract, and the space in between is how far the car is away from the tunnel. So again, the problem tomorrow will not be exactly like this, but you will have to use your knowledge of parabolas, the vertex form, the standard form, and knowing that if I plug in an x, I can get some y on this parabola, or in this case, this tunnel, and then compare it to either a car or maybe a truck that is driving through it. Hope that helps. Any questions, please let me know.